we are about to discuss the topic on explaining on how to calculate the great circle distance, difference in latitude, difference in longitude, initial course angle, initial course true, final course angle, and final course true. Problem, a vessel latitude is and 27:39 east, sail to latitude 37 degrees 48 minutes north, and the longitude of 122 degrees 20 minutes west. So find the given the following that the composed of great circle distance up to. So different latitude. Here are problem. Latitude 1, 35 degrees 27 minutes north, and latitude 2, 37 degrees 48 minutes north. So as you can see, it has a same name. So meaning we will subtract it as the rule of the lat. So the answer is d lat. The answer for d lat is 02 degrees 21 minutes north. And so for the difference in longitude, the given are longitude 1 is 139 degrees 39 minutes east, and the longitude 2 is 122 degrees 20 minutes west. So as you can see, the name itself is different, so we will have to add them to have a day long. So the answer is 261 degrees 51 minutes west. So but at this point, we will have to minus it by 360 because as the navigation said, we will navigate our ship in a shortest way. So after after subtracting the answer to 360 degrees, the answer will be 098 degrees and 01 minutes east. So circle distance. So here is the formula. Cos GCD is equal to open parenthesis cos lat 1 times cos lat 2 times cos d lo close parenthesis plus or minus sine lat 1 parenthesis. So here are the solution. So G cos GCD is equal to cos 35 degrees 27 minutes times 37 minutes times cos 098 degrees 01 minutes. But we will add this because the latitude 1 and latitude 2 are in the same name. So plus sine 35 degrees 27 minutes times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes. And the answer for that is 0.1462 times 0.79016 times negative 0.133946 plus 0.57999 times 0.61291. And after that, after we solve the problem, the answer of the first parenthesis is negative 0.08977 plus 0.35548. After that, the answer are 0.26571. But after we will go to um, times 60, we will have to shift cos minus 1, then times 60. And the final answer is for the great circle distance is 4,475.45 nautical miles. And so for this topic, I will let another cadet to discuss initial course angle.
So, in solving the initial course angle, The formula is cosine initial course angle is equal to sine latitude 2 minus the product of cosine GCD multiplied by sine latitude 1, and the result will be divided by sine GCD times cosine latitude 1. And since our sine latitude 2 is equal to 0.61291, and then our cos GCD is equal to 0.26571, and our sine latitude 1 is 0.57999, and the product of cos GCD and sine latitude 1 will be subtracted from sine latitude 2, which is 0.61291 minus 0.15411, and the denominator is sine GCD, which is our GCD is 74 degrees 35 minutes 27.08 seconds times the cosine of latitude 1, which is equal to 0.81462, and the product of the sine GCD multiplied by cosine latitude 1 will be equal to 0.78533, and the product of the sine latitude 1 minus the cosine GCD times sine latitude 1 is equal to 0.45880, and the result is 0.58421. Since the formula is cosine initial course angle, then we will, in our calculator, we will press shift cos or inverse cosine multiplied by 0.58421, and the result is equal to north 54 degrees 15.17 minutes east. Next slide. And in solving the initial course, so course through, our initial course through is 54 degrees point ay, north 54 degrees 15.17 minutes east. Since our initial course angle fall on the first quadrant, which is northeast, so we will just copy the degrees and just change the name into true course. So we will have 54 degrees 15.17 minutes true. Next presenter will be discussing the final course angle.
Final course angle. So the formula of final course angle is cosine final course angle is equal to sin latitude 1 minus the product of cosine GCD times sin latitude 2 over sin sine over sine GCD times cosine latitude 2. So the value of each part of the formula will be equals to 0.57999 minus the product of 0.26571 times 0.6129 over product of 0.9645 times 0.79016. After solving that, the product will be 0.5799 minus 0 0.16286 over 0.76175. So final course angle is after you shift cosine minus 1 times 0.54759, the product will be, the answer will be north 56 degrees 27.89 minutes east. After you did that, the final course race will be 56 degrees 7.89 minutes true since it falls to the north. So that would be all.
That would be all, sir. Thank you and have a nice
Have a
day.
nice day.